Alright, let's see if we can't work on the envelope. So we want to go 3 inches on it. And it only cut 1. Cut 1. Now I'm going to cut this part off with the 2.5 by 15. We'll cut it off. And we'll throw it away. Then that way, alright, I want to also fix this up here. We need 2. And we need 1 of 3 by 15. I still want to keep it at 15. So we have this caught up. Alrighty, so what I want to do is I'm going to cut 2 of the 15s, and then that way we can try to figure out. No, you don't need that. No, you don't. Don't do this to me, girl. Don't do this. Don't do this. No.
Come here.
I need white. She is 5 fingers malone this morning. Or this evening. Okay, level this out. No, leave my book alone. There ain't nothing you need up here. Okay. Now I've got a white. Now it's just 2 more, and I hope that this right here will work out. I need to wipe this off. I didn't think nothing about it, but it needs to be wiped off. Alrighty, now I got to go back over everything. See if I can't find the page. She got into it this morning. So, let's see if I can't figure it out again. Alright. I have this, and I want this to be the wing. So I said,
if you'll come in here, Star, we'll shut this door, turn my air back on.
Yeah, turn the air back on. I think it'd be better. Alright, let's line these up. And I'm hoping this right here will give it enough to work. Alright, we want a 15. Wait a minute here. Let's go this way. I found the 15. Okay, I'm going to go up a little bit so I can cut the salvage edge off.
Alright, now I'm confused. Oh, there you can see. I was looking for Fat Boy.
Oh.
He's in your bedroom.
Yeah. He was like, I don't want her messing with me today.
I guess. I don't know what's going on.
I don't either. She should have already been here.
Yeah, or let us know why she ain't.
Yeah.
Look at your phone, nothing. My phone, nothing.
Oh, we don't ever get nothing. Leave it alone. I have no idea. There it goes on the fucking floor. Damn it, girl.
It didn't make the floor, so we don't use.
I wish you. I had it out of my way. Alright. See if I can't put it over here. Alright. Now, I think this right here is the 7. So, I'm going to want to cut it down 7.
That's my phone.
Alright, 15. There we go. 15 by 7. Alright, let's give it a wacky tacky. And now I need this one right here is going to be hard to do. Alright, let's find it. This one right here. And I'm going to want it halfway. Put the dot on it. Make sure it's level with the dot. And there we go. Oh, it's up here. Alright, it goes underneath the wing. Okay, go up this a little bit. Now we got 2 that, now don't mess, no.
Leave it alone. Come on, leave it alone. Leave Granny stuff alone. Keep your fingers out your nose.
Okay.
Especially if you're going to touch Granny stuff, don't be picking your nose and then grabbing it.
Alright. No, quit!
Leave her stuff alone now.
Your mom should have already been here. Alright, 15. 15. Alright, we're going to say this right here is the bottom. So we're going to half it. And the bottom. No! Quit!
Leave it alone. This you don't need up here anyhow.
Would you quit it? I'm going to have to quit.
Probably till they get here. Hopefully they'll be coming anytime.
Yeah, we only think.
What I figure is he's done got off work, he's come and got her, they're going to go eat until they come get her.
Of course they ain't going to call.
Well, no, why would they? Because the last time they called we didn't let them go eat.
Yeah. That's wrong. Alright, here we go. So we can't line this one up.
No, you ain't going outside, it's too hot out there. When the shade gets on this porch,
let's see, this one right here will go up. Didn't I do that last time, or did I do it wrong? Let me go get it and see. Nope, I did it right. I did it right. So, yep, I did it right. Alright, I'm going to make pillows out of these 2. And then that way the boys will have a little pillow to go with it. Carry around. Alrighty, I need the top now. Let's see if I can't cut. Wait a minute. Okay, this right here. Let's see what it is. 15. Nope, that's too small. You don't want to use it. Put it in the pile over here, and I'm going to do the other strip. There it is. You know what? It's folded almost perfect. So I need 15. I'm going to get just a little bit so I can cut it off. Achoo! Alright, we're going to stick this in the recycle bin. Turn it around. And we're going to go 15 on it. Achoo! Achoo! Alright. Now, I don't want to go ahead and cut 2 on this one, but it's already down to 15. Hey! No!
Be quiet. Granny's working on something. She's
15. She don't know nothing. Stop it. Alright. So if we can't... I don't know why in the world they won't come pick her up. And I don't want to hear a word about, well, I didn't want her on the internet. Well, then you need to start coming in the time you're supposed to, so I'll have time to do it. You know it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, don't do that. Okay, there's that. Okay, now. And this right here goes at the top. And this one goes here. Really.
Oh, Lord, you left my bedroom door open.
Oh, shit.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh. We'll turn that one over. Alright, this one. Now you don't need it. Okay, you can go in there and get your toys. Watch my toes. Come on now.
Don't run over, Granny.
Alright, I have this ready to sew down. We'll take it in there and put it down, and I'll wait till she goes home and try to sew it. This is too much. Okay, I had to put this thing on charge. So I went ahead and done one. Of course, I messed it up, and I had to take it apart and redo it. But it does work. So, I forgot about something, and I refound it, and I think I need to start using it again. I hate thinking that I forget, but I forget. You know, I need this, and I put it aside when I don't need it, and then I forget it. I hate it. Alright, we're gonna start putting this right here together. Alright, there it is. There's one, and here is two. Now, I'm thinking about making both of them white and red. But when I make them, I'll put one at white first, and the second one at red. And I'll probably end up putting a strip in between them. But we'll see what happens. Alright, I know my window's dirty. Can't keep them clean. But we got a squirrel that's on the banister. And it's eating something like maybe a limb or something. And it's coming down. Where's it going? Where's it going? That is so weird. Ow, my toe. Would you please quit? Where's it at?
It's on that. You can't see it. It's right there on the gate.
Oh,
The
okay.
third one from the left.
Yeah, I see it now. Wow, this is pretty weird. We have a pet squirrel.
I guess.
I bet you anything if I go out there it'll run.
I'm sure it will. It's probably
Yeah.
when she popped on the door there.
Yeah. Like I ain't paying attention to nobody.
You can try to open the door and see what happens.
Nah.
And we'll get her diaper change so she wets everything.
Yeah. Alrighty. I am using the scraps that I have accumulated in here, and I'll to make hopefully my last one. And I need two, a red one and a white one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking one of these and I'm measuring it, and I need 7. I've already done got them all except for the very first one. So I am putting this on just a little bit past 7. And I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to iron it down. Okay. And then I'm going to take my thing here, and I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to cut it down. Alright, this part I don't need. It's too short. This side will work. Come on. So I have mirrored image. I only need 2 of these. It don't matter that I cut them out. I'll probably use them somewhere else. But however, I have got these right here, all of them cut down. Now all I have to do is sew them down. And if I have to make another one, I do believe I can get another one out of my scraps. So now it's time to sew them down. Alright, I have these. Okay, we'll move these over here out of the way. Then I have these. And then I have these. So, I figured what I would do is just put all of them together and sew them all down. And I'm hoping that I do have enough to finish at least the one quilt. I'm going to have to go. What is going on here? No, this is not going to work. What is it? Okay. Let's go over here. And this one will go over here. Yeah. There we go. Sandy, you got it going on, girl. Yeah. Alright. Now I got all this. I did have all these stacked up. And I'm hoping that I have enough now. And if I have to, I believe I might be able to get another one out of them. Oh my God, what a mess, Sandy. A teetotal mess out of it all. Yeah. I gotta stack them up now. I don't know which one will go where. So, how about 2? And then 2. Yeah, I think I got too many of these here, but I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, those would go up here. And these are the same, so we're going to lay them down. And we're going to lay them down. Oh, no, they're supposed to go down here. Oh, no. I got these wrong. Are you serious? I sure do. Alright, I'm not going to change them. I'm not going to change them because it'll totally mess me up if I change them. And I ain't going to do that. I don't know why, but I've got all these upside down. Oh, don't go nowhere. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. And I got to watch and make sure that I keep those together. Boy, oh boy. This is not going to be good. Let's see what we can do about pulling them up. I can't believe I done that. I must have grabbed this one instead of the one that I wanted. I don't know if I have enough to try them. So, how many do I have? Only 4? Oh, I don't know. Let's try that. Okay. And I can't go back and change these, because then it'll make it weird. So I'm going to have to figure this out. Oh, I think I'll go try to make more, because I don't want to really mess them up. Which I did. Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, let's see what we can do here. That's the garbage. I can't believe I've done that. Okay, this is 3. I don't need those. Those are too small. That's a 3. Okay, come on. Alright, here it's 2. I don't know if this is a 3-inch or 2-inch. 2.5. That's 3. Okay, let's see if we can't find 2.5. Nope, can't use that. Man, I've got. Get some of this garbage out of here. Alright, what is this one? I think this one right here is a 3. I'm going to have a lot of 3s. Guess what? We're going to go with a 3. We're going to line them all up. I don't know how many I need. I better go count them. I got 6 that I'm going to do. And I may end up having more than what I need. But I don't want to get rid of these just in case that I can use them on the next one. So here's 2. 4 and 6. So we're going to try to level them out as best we can. Come on, don't do that. Can't hardly see it too good. Alright, I'm going to call it quits right there. Alright, I'm going to figure out what I'll need to do. That's what I'm going to do. I need that one. Alright, I'm going to level this off with one of them. There we go. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Alright. I need to change this so I can do it right. Alright, I want to go 7 down. I'm going to go a little bit more because I don't have enough. Alright, turn it over. Get rid of all the garbage. Alright, line this up. There we go with it. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now, I'm going to put it just like I would any other one. And I'm going to level it up. Turn it over. I want it to make sure that it hits the material, my sticky stuff, so it won't turn on me. Okay, here's these. I'd rather turn it, try to turn it. Put all this in there. We'll come back to it if we need to. Who knows, I may get another color to do the other one that needs to be done. Alright. So, I hope that this does it. I don't know. I don't know. 1, 2. I'm going to have 3 more pieces because of the other side. But we have these. Alright. So, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's see what we can do. Those are all going to be too small. Okay, here's the... Alright. This will be 6. I believe that. Nope, it's 4. Damn it. 4. No, you don't need to go out. Ooh, look at this long one. Oh, yeah. Oh. And that's what I need. It's 2.5. Alright. But, let's see. I don't have another one. That one's too small. Okay, what measurement is this? Ah, here I am. Alright. I need a 7 is what I need. So, oh, these will need to be cut down to 2.5. Do I have a problem? Yes. I have a very big problem tonight. Alright. see what we can do. Let's throw these over here. These over here. Alright, I'm going to keep those. And I am going to... Wait a minute. Yeah. That right there would be like... Yeah. Alright. Let's see what I can do about cutting these right here down to 2.5. Line it up down here at the bottom and cut a little bit off of each side. Okay. Oh, come on, don't do this. Ugh. Okay. Really? Alright. This one. Okay, now these right here, I need to cut down to 2.5 too. And I need to do it from the top. Because if I don't do it from the top, it's going to look awkward to all of them. Oh, I can't take that. I'm doing that every day good time. Alright. Now. 2, 4, 6. Alright. Now, let me take one of these and I'm going to put it backwards. And I need to make an opening. Oh my god, I hope this works. Okay. Let's trash that. And this, I hope, will work. Alright, turn this around. And I'm going to line this one up here. I know it's going to be crooked. You really can't do too much to it. And then there's that. So that should equal up with that. Ha ha. You did it, Sandy. Whether you think you did or not, you hope you did anyway, right? Yeah, I do.